Here's our video tutorial to go over finding the whole. This is useful when you are given the percent and the part of a situation and you want to find what the whole amount is. So first, using decimals, you can find this by convert percent to decimal and divide the part by the decimal. Let's look at an example. 5% of what number is 10? So I'm given the percent as 5. I can convert that to a decimal by moving the decimal place 2 times to the left and taking away the percent sign. So I'm left with 0.05. And I can find the part because it's the one that is connected to is. So is will be the part. So I'm going to be dividing 10 divided by 0.05. I'll set that up. The first number goes inside, the second number goes outside. Now I can't divide a decimal out here. I have to move the decimal place over. So the divisor needs to be a whole number, and the dividend needs to be shifted as well. So I take the decimal place, which was right here, to the right of the ones digit, and I move it twice to the right. I end up with how many times can 5 go into 10,000? Well, 5 can go into 10 2 times. 2 times 5 is 10. I subtract, I get 0. I bring down the other zeros because 5 cannot go into 0, but I need to complete all the way to the ones digit. So 5 can go into 1,200 times. That means that 5% of 200 is 10. Let's try using fractions. For using fractions, convert the percent to a fraction, then divide the part by the fraction. So, example, 25% of what number is 21? 25%. So, I'm going to change 25% to a fraction. That's 25 over 100. And simplify. Simplify the fraction. So, I can divide both 25 and 100 by 25. I get 1/4. Then my part is 21. I know that because of the is in the statement. And I'm going to divide 21 divided by 1/4. Remember your keep change flip. So I'm going to first write 21 as a fraction, 21 over 1. And then keep change flip. Keep the 21 over 1. Change the operation to multiplication. And then I'm going to be multiplying by the reciprocal, or I'm going to be flipping 1/4. So it becomes 4 over 1. And now I can multiply straight across. So 21 times 4 is 84. I get 84, and then 1 times 1 is 1. And 84 divided by 1 is just 84. So 25% of 84 is 21. Please be kind to yourself, be kind to others. I hope you have a great day.